Apple, let's go with Apple.
One word. Yung character ko dito, if I'm going to describe in one word, I think hayok.
Hayok.
Literal na hayok. And then, yung movie itself, hayok. Ano ba? Thrilling, I guess.
How about Nico?
These questions are always hard. Putting one word, no?
Yeah, parang
You putting one sentence. Thank you, brother. Siguro, if I can describe the movie in one word, I would say gripping. Oh, diba? Gripping. Kasi it really pulls you in. You have to watch it kasi it's medyo slow build up siya. Kasi at first it seems very normal yung relationship namin ni Apple. Pero as things go on, you start to see na okay, parang hindi normal to. Something might happen sa kanilang dalawa, and what that is, you don't know eh. Pero basta something is parang brewing, suspense built. It's a medyo slow burn suspense, I would say. Tapos, sa role, I can't explain it in one word. It's just, there's too many things to it. Pero, may ego siya eh. Egotistical, siguro is the best way to describe him because he cannot handle rejection.
Yeah, based on the trailer, yeah.
Yeah, kasi she keeps teasing me paulit-ulit. For some reason, she won't give in to me, pero she'll give in to all these different guys. And flirt. Like, nagfa-flirt siya all the time with me, pero hanggang dun lang. So, she's really a tease talaga. And to the point where it frustrates the hell out of me. Yeah, so it's her kasalanan niya, not my fault. Well, not my fault.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Sandali, parang mali yata.
Joke lang. It's my fault.
Congratulations, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Next question po will be coming from Tita Dolly Ann Carvajal from Inquirer.
Philippine Star.
Philippine Star, correction, sorry.
Nico, you mentioned kanina na your character got bored sa relationship.
Yes.
Did that ever happen to you in real life and how did you handle it? Or
Being honest, yes. Nabored ako sa mga past relationships ko. I think that's a big learning point for anybody in a relationship is what do we do when we get bored in a relationship? Immaturity is a big factor eh. Dati kasi immature ako. So instead of looking inward and trying to find the solution with your partner, I would look outward and find gratification elsewhere. And parang ganon. So, yeah, I think that's a very well. It's common in every relationship. There's a point, said after 2 years or 7 years, there's those different stages where you get bored, say, some relationship. And what do you do when you get bored? Ako kasi I used to
you don't end it, you just play around.
Well, grabe ka naman. Grabe ka naman sa akin. You just play around. Well, yes. Ginawa ko yan dati. Oo. That was just, that was, yeah, it just felt like, parang almost instinctual eh. Okay, it's not working here, so I'll find it elsewhere. Parang ganun, which wasn't the right decision. I learned that over the years eh. Pero syempre, when you're young in your 20s, and there's lots of girls around, lots of options, temptation's a big factor din. Okay, I'll just go somewhere else. But now entering into my 30s, parang I realize that that's not the solution.
Like mature.
Mature, oh yes.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Upper Direct Topel, if you give a tagline for Hayo, what would it be? Maybe what irresistible persons, mga ganun.
Siguro I don't know tagline, but more like parang redemption. Siguro parang quits. Ginagawa niya sa movie yun eh. So baka gano'n. Kasi the story naman may maganda siyang twist about, you know, I mean, nahirapan kasi dito sa Apple and she was trying her best to just be a person who likes sex, no? Pero na-misinterpret siya sa movie kasi. So, yun, sa dulo may redemption naman. So, baka parang gano'n, sinabi niya life quits.
May moral lesson, hindi immoral. For Apple, sa movie, paulit-ulit mo sabi yung line na, you're not my type. In real life, nasabi mo ba yun to the face of any guy? Or pinapaasa mo kahit yung my type?
Personally, prangka kasi akong tao. Hindi ako nag-filter. It is what it is. Parang ito yung gusto kong sabihin, kung ma-hurt ka, just say the truth. And pag may mga nagtatangkang manligaw or anything else, sinasabi ko na, hindi kita type. Pero pag pinipilit,
True to life pala yung role mo.
parang doon ako nakarelate sa part na you're not my type. Yeah, gwapo ka, you're intelligent, but you're not my type. Hindi ko po ugaling mag-aasa. So, parang, pero pag gusto mo pa rin ako i-pursue, tapos hindi kita bet, tatanungin kita ulit, ano bang gusto mo? Are you serious? Like, are you ready to enter a relationship? Or gusto mo fling lang? Gusto mo laro lang? Kasi game naman ako kung anong trip mo. Huwag mo lang akong lolokohin.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tita Dali from Philippine Star. Apologies. Charing lang. Last question po natin will be coming from Sir Mark Magalia from Maganda Ba Movie.
Hello guys.
Hi, Mark.
Hi. Ayan, for Nico and Apple muna. Without spoiling the story of the film, ano yung would you say gusto nyong maging take away ng mga audience was napanood na nila yung pelikula na Hayok? First, for Nico.
Yung parang message ng film.
Yeah.
Parang ganun.
Message.
There's a lot of lessons to be learned here, I think. Pero for me, because I was actually thinking about this question when I was driving here kanina. So I had a feeling I was going to be asked. I would say, I'm trying to see it from Apple's perspective. Women have to be careful with these types of situations. Kasi when you lead people on and you put yourself in positions, you know, it's always a safety thing, eh? I can say what happened, without spoiling it, women have to be very careful with leading men on kasi some men, manyak yung mga lalaki, eh. And if we tempt them too much and they put themselves in positions of danger, no, something bad might happen. So I think it's women should be careful kasi syempre yung mga lalaki mas they're stronger physically. So women should always be careful of their surroundings, I think. Parang ganon. I think that was the message for me, is be careful in all types of situations, and if you don't trust someone, don't put yourself in moments like where you're just by yourself with that person. So it's a trust thing, I think. And parang if you don't trust that person, don't put yourself in a situation where something bad might happen. Yun.
Okay.
Oo.
Thank you. Apple.
Just because someone is sexual and very open sexually doesn't mean na open sila to do that to just anyone. Kasi parang, di ba parang pag nalaman natin na, ganito pala siya, parang sexual siya, may siya sa mag-explore or something, hindi ibig sabihin noon na parang pariwara yung buhay niya or pariwara siyang tao. Parang let's not judge people sa ganong paraan. Let's try to judge them sa paraang, alam mo yun, pag nakilala talaga natin ng mas maigi pa yung tao. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Last na lang yung kay direct question is, since you